1970 Charger RT as we wind the clock back into the perhaps pinnacle year in the muscle car era 1.0. Peek under that hood, JK.
Yeah, once again, that venerable 440 Magnum, 375 horsepower, 737 or 727 torque flight automatic as well. But look at the high back white bucket seats with the console shift on the floor, factory air conditioning, and big money. Look, we've cracked $100,000. Colors adding to that too. Hemi orange with that white interior I talked about and a white top. That is pure classic 70 Charger essence right there.
Yeah, couldn't get air with a Hemi.
Nope. Couldn't get air with a 446 pack.
Right.
This was the top performer if you wanted air conditioning.
This car right here would qualify as Tim Wellborn catnip material.
Oh, we can jump ahead right to the future at 150. Knock them all out, sir.
Now, we all like B5 blue. We all like Jamaica blue and, of course, plum crazy. But JK with a white vinyl top and white interior.
That's all fact.
Hemi orange is just so good, isn't it?
That's the excitement. Well, all right, sir.
So
$122,500, Scott.
2023 Dodge Challenger Mopar 23 Special Edition, 39 miles. This is number 124.